How to post Insta Story from Mac. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to post Insta Story from Mac. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Once on your browser, open Instagram.com and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're here, click on the three dots on the upper right, and then go to More Tools and click on Developer Tools. In here, make sure you follow the same settings that I have. Dimensions, iPhone 12 Pro. In here, click your profile on the bottom right. You can also zoom in so that you can see clearly. Once you're here, you also have the option to change your profile photo. Once done, click on the home page once again and then refresh the website. Once you refresh, you will now see a plus add your story. In here, when you click on it, a window will appear and just locate the photo or video that you want to add. Once you find it, click on open and then wait for Instagram to finish uploading your photo and then click on plus add to your story. Now wait for Instagram to finish uploading. Once done, you will now see that you already have your story uploaded through your Mac. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.